Are you looking for the best budget 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soval SV04 3D Printer. SV04 equips with dual metal Titan extruders which are more capable to produce high quality prints across a vast range of material, such like PLA, ABS, PETC, TPU, PC, PA, wood, AZA, and PVA. 300 by 300 by 400 build volume makes SV04 the best large format independent dual extruder direct drive 3D printer in the market. Please download the latest firmware and flash it before your printing to avoid error occurs. Auto leveling sensor on SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with an responsive and sensitive touch button, all the modes are clear and easy to use. Creality v5.2.1 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board, up to 7 additional drivers, more functions, more stable, super silent. Flexible magnetic build plate ensures your print get a good grip to it, to help prevent warping and failed prints. It allows you pop off the prints without any tool, just bend the plate and your print's removed. The filament detector will remind you to change the filament. No worries about long time printing anymore. The wheels on the holder help load the filament more smoothly. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improve the accuracy and precision of nozzle's vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Number 2. An iCubic Cobra 2 Pro 3D printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Achieve remote networking, firmware upgrade, and real-time viewing of the printer status. LT will also support online slicing and printing, video monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control and management. This will bring the smart experience to your fingertips. For more detailed guidance, please find the product guides and documents on the listing page, and then click on User Guide, PDF. By utilizing an optimized, direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By detecting the resonance frequency of the X, Y axis with an internally built accelerometer G sensor, smart adjustments are made to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. Number 3. Soval SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 Plus has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements. 300 by 300 by 340 printing size makes SV06 Plus unique among i3 structure 3D printers. Modular design allows you to assemble SV06 Plus within 5 steps easily, more applicable for household use. All metal hot end with larger melt zone enables you to print faster. High flow up to 20 cubic millimeters/s to achieve 150 millimeters per second printing speed that greatly reduces the probability of clogging. Working with SV06 Plus clipper screen, Does not come with the printer, need to purchase additionally. SV06 Plus can reach a fast and upgraded printing speed of 250 mm per second. All metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Sovol self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, provide SV06 Plus with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. Day and night modes can be switched casually. The unique Sovol UI and sensitive response bring you better experience than knob display. With inductive sensor, SV06 Plus detects the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed leveled perfectly and get an fantastic first layer. Note: set the height of initial layer to 0.3 mm when you slice. That would help you to print a better initial layer and make the filament stick to the plate better. The flexible pay-coated build plate with mesh surface design makes the prints can be removed easily without any tools. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra Neo 2 3D printer, equipped with the self-innovated Anycubic Levy Corto leveling system. 25-point smart and precise calibration and hardware algorithm to automatically compensate for the unevenness of the hotbed. Leveling has never been so easy. The extruder is integrated within the hot end, making it easier to replace the filament with a lower failure rate. Moreover, a direct drive extruder can deliver the filament more efficiently and precisely. The printing platform is made of magnetic spring steel, which is wear resistant, less breakable, and bendable. Slightly bend the printing platform, and the finished miniatures can be quickly taken off. The magnetic design makes it easy to set up and remove. The 4-modular design makes it possible to set up the printer within 10 minutes. Anycubic Cobra Neo prints at a typical speed of 6 cm per second and reaches 10 cm per second at its highest. Compared to the last generation Anycubic Mega S, the printing volume of Anycubic Cobra Neo has increased by 34.4% to reach 12.1 liters. The printing dimension is 25 by 22 by 22 centimeters, equivalent to the size of a standard size 5 football. The standard power outage resuming sensor and the optional filament run out sensor reduces filament waste and save time by avoiding the printing failure caused by the power outage and lack of filament. Compared to using a screwdriver, the knob design X-axis belt tensioner makes it easy to adjust the belt tension. It is more convenient without tools and can be operated with hands only. Number 5. Creality 3S1 3D printer. Compatible with more filaments, Ender 3S1 3D printer can print PLA, TPU, PETC, ABS. etc. It is more lighter and features less inertia and more precise positioning. Upgraded dual gear direct extruder features 2 chrome steel gears that are engaged at a 1:3.5 gear ratio, with a pushing force of up to 80 newtons. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping and works extremely well in printing flexible filaments such as TPU. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the heat bed. Removable spring steel print sheet, different from Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3 V2. This new released FDM 3D printer comes with a removable PC spring steel platform. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker, which sticks to the surface immediately when released. The PC coating brings good adhesion and printed models can easily be removed by bending the print sheet. Higher printing precision and easy to install, with a Z-axis dual screw plus Z-axis dual motor design. Ender 3S1 works smoother and more synchronously to lower the possibility of lines and ridges on the sides of your print, thus improving printing quality. And 96% of the printer body is pre-installed, making assembling extremely convenient with only 6 steps, and the maintenance of the printer is simple and easy. Power loss recovery and filament sensor. Ender 3S1 features the function of detecting filament runout or breakage, power loss and resume printing after recovery by accurately recording the printing data at the time of power outage. Filament runout or breakage. It helps to avoid the waste of filaments and time caused by accidents.